Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are trying to connect your Libre 2 Plus sensor to Omnipod 5, then this video is going to guide you through the correct setup process that is going to work in 2026. Now first of all, you need to understand one important thing. Not all the Libre sensors work directly with Omnipod 2. So make sure that you are using the Libre 2 Plus and not the standard Libre 2, and that the integration is supported in your region as well. If your application or the device does not show the pairing options, it may not be supported yet in your country. Now, in order to set it up, you will need to activate the sensor before connecting. So you need to apply the sensor and activate it using the Libre application or reader. So here, as you can see, after doing this, simply wait until it starts giving the glucose readings, and this is going to basically take around 60 minutes. Do not try pairing before activation is complete. Now you need to connect it from the Omnipod side. For that, you just have to simply open your Omnipod 5 controller application. After that, you just have to look for the option of Freestyle Libre 2 Plus. After selecting this option, you just have to follow further on-screen instructions. When you see this type of prompt, you just have to click on the option of OK, and you will be able to basically add the sensors. When it asks you to add the sensors, simply select the Libre 2 Plus from the list and follow further instructions. Connection can fail if the devices are too far, so you just have to keep your devices close to each other. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.